Hello guys, you are all welcome to Vincent Hub. So I'm so excited to have you guys today. So in today's video, I will be emphasizing on the introduction to Python programming. All you need to know as a beginner entering into Python programming. So by the end of this video, you are expected to have a basic knowledge of programming. So let's get started. I know that most of you guys might have hearing the word programming. So what's programming all about? Programming in the aspect or in the content of tech is all about giving your computer sets of instructions, and hereby using those set of instructions to accomplish a specific task, and using those tasks in solving a real life problem. So let me give you guys a real life scenario. So do you believe me that all our artificial intelligence are all product of programmers? Because they do use sets of instructions, and those set of instructions are being used to accomplish a task, and those tasks are used in solving the real life problem. You can check it out, both our ChatGPT, our Claude, our Gemini, and the rest. All our artificial intelligence, both the one in the medical aspect, the one in the industrial aspect, the one in business, the one in the military, all of them, they do use sets of instructions. So that's all you need to know concerning programming. So inside programming, we have what we call programming language. Programming language are language that enable us to communicate with the computer, they enable us to execute our code, to they enable us to write code to the computer. So I'll be emphasizing on Python programming in this video. So we have numerous types of programming language. We have Java, we have JavaScript, we have HTML, we have C, we have C++, we have C Sharp. There are numerous types of programming language. So like I said earlier, I'll be emphasizing on Python programming. So what's Python programming? Python is a programming language that enables us to communicate with the computer, build websites, automate tasks, collection of data, and the rest. There are numerous uses of Python programming. So let's go to the introduction of Python programming. Python programming was officially released in the year 1991 by a programmer known as Gridovan Ransom. So Python is a high-level language, is flexible, one of the world's most used programming language, and is beginner friendly. So a lot of people have been asking me that what can you do with your knowledge in Python programming? Is it actually beneficial? So my answer to that question is yes. Python programming is actually beneficial because it's one of the world's most used programming language. Just get it in your head. One of the world's most used programming language. So because there's no tech industry in the world that does not need a Python developer. Both your Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, X, all of them, they do need Python programmer. So even with your basic knowledge of Python programming, you can actually work as a freelancer. You can actually do a remote work. You can actually work as a junior data analysis, as a data entry. So that's all for the introduction to Python programming. So another question will be, where can you work with your knowledge in Python programming? Like I said earlier, you can work in any tech industry, any tech firm at all. So far you have the knowledge of a Python developer. So with your knowledge of Python programming, you can do data analysis, cyber security, ethical hacking, website creation, machine learning. You can actually build AI automation, even prompt engineering, machine learning. There are numerous uses of Python programming. So I think this will be the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. Thank you guys for viewing and listening, but please, I would love you guys to subscribe, like, and comment to this video, and turn off the notification button so that you will get more information in our next video. Thank you guys all.